my wife already filed for divorce. Is there still hope? Yes. Yes, there's still hope. There's still hope because as you are being transformed, as long as there's a way to communicate and for your wife to see the transformation in your life, in the way you interact with God, there's hope. And remember, God hates divorce. In other words, God is always interested in helping those who want to be transformed. So if you begin the process of transformation and you surrender your life and the process to God's hands, you can expect that God will touch your spouse. Now, you are not your wife, so you're not the one in control of that. You can't control that. You're going to have to trust God with that and work hard on your own transformation. And as you are transformed, you feel more joy in your heart. You feel more connected to God. You feel the power of God. You are able to resist the work of the enemy. What you're going to discover is that you are happy and you are good. You feel strengthened, and then you are sowing seeds. So, all the time that divorce is going on, there's communication. And so if you are sowing good seeds all through that process, it can be stopped. But if you go back to all the things that the wife is running away from you for, or maybe she's the one that did the wrong thing, I don't know. But if you continue to live the way you are right now, then she wants that marriage to be finished. She doesn't want to have the you that she has now. She wants to have a transformed person. Now, sometimes what she wants is not what God has made you to be, but when you become whom God wants you to be, she would be attracted to that person, because what that means is that God is flowing and working through you and working in you. So I encourage you, even if you are already experiencing divorce proceedings and separation is already going on, do not give up. I encourage you, get on the program, begin to work the steps. There are 3 steps. Each step has 3 other steps. Get on the process. Transform yourself and start climbing up this pyramid, and you will have an extraordinary time. And you know what? Let's just think, maybe, okay, it never happens. She never comes back. But you're going to be a different person. You're going to be more effective as a father if you have children. You're going to be more effective as a disciple of Jesus. You're going to be more impactful in your business. And if the situation is that the person has abandoned the faith and left you, then if you get married again, you will have a better marriage. All right? So it's never too late to start working. And if you work hard, your life will be different. You'll be more impactful, and everybody will be glad.